Hey, good morning. This is Bob with Trade Genius. I wanted to show you three charts this morning. As you can tell from the title, you know what they are already. And this hits my and our screens at Trade Genius. So this is how you find what I would call better than average setups. And then you have your risk defined. And so when I did my scan this weekend, I had about 35 names come up, and there's three that I like, and I'll explain. So one thing I like to do is make sure everything's over the 100 period moving average. I like the 2-hour chart, and it's also above VWAP, moving VWAP, which I also like. And obviously everything's rising. And then money flow has been strong. That means there's a lot of bid buying. And a lot of times these stocks like to launch off of the VWAP, and this has been popping. So I think there's potential 10% move in LOCO, and but what I would do is, because I don't know how the market's going to open on Monday, is that look, if this thing is above 1090, I'd go ahead and buy it and give yourself a 3% stop loss on LOCO, and that would be my recommendation to our subscribers too. The other one that hit my screen, and one thing I wanted to talk about from a lesson standpoint, is that when you have a stock that gaps down like this, there's a 7-day rule. You kind of leave a stock alone for 7 days to see what it does, and we're way past that now. And what's interesting to me is that Box is still 93% from its 52-week high, and also its 90-day high, which is pretty incredible. It's still above its trend dots, and but it's hovering right below the moving average, and it just pierced the moving VWAP. So what I'm looking for here is to see if it's going to fill the gap, and it's probably worth taking a shot on it now, and with a stop at 25.87 here. The moving averages is starting to turn up on it, and so it might make a quick hit to the 27.50 area. So it'd be a nice maybe 3% gainer here, if not more. And if it goes, it can go up to here. And it's starting to get some social media attention too, which is always helpful because it creates some sort of momentum in it. And the last one we're already in at Trade Genius. I like this for a lot of reasons. From a fundamental standpoint, they focus on orphan vaccinations, and they got a product that's available everywhere in the world except for Taiwan and the US, and those approvals are expected this summer, and it'll rock this stock. And so I'm trading in and out of it, and it also bouncing off of its moving average and its moving VWAP. It's above its trend dots. Moving average is turning up. Money flow has been strong. That means the selling interest has not been as good as the buying interest. And even if you want to just kind of wait till see what Monday brings, I would look at jumping in above 1650 and look for another pop on it, and rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. And so you can also play this with options too if you want. And like I said, sometime between now and end of September, we should hear some news on this. They're already opening up option contracts at higher strikes out into October. So people are starting to place bets that we're going to get a big move and fold. So I thought I'd share that with you. And just want to remind you, if you want to get more signals like this from ETF or stock standpoint, we push these out every day. And just go ahead and peruse our specials. Like I said, we're flipping over after the 18th to new, basically Trade Genius 2.0. We have a credible new website, chat, mobile chat. We're going to be breaking our service up into crypto, and then into July, August, we're going to have binary options separate, and then we're going to have stock ETF separate, and then we're going to have even some more cooler features coming out in the fall. So love for you to join us. Prices are very reasonable for what we offer, and you get a great education, great community, and you'll make money nearly every day in the market. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Bye-bye.